So, sorry it's been a long time since I put a video up. I've been grinding from the computer. My bike's been messed up and stuff, but I put a lot of new parts on it, as you might be able to tell. We'll start by the 14 mil stolen revolver rear in blue. I don't know how to say the first word. Then I got a new green KMC chain on here with the same cranks, but I got a Easton Medusa sprocket 23T. It's pretty good. Hasn't broken yet, so put brakes on my bike, but I bent the spring in one side, so it's messed up. And I got that thingy a long time ago. And same front. I got the brake cable from RF Markin. I'll put his link up on the video, and it's pretty nice. Got my kink cable holder and my sponsor sticker, and all the other ones you gave. Got my Tektro brake lever and Snafu Miracle grips, and yeah, it's not bad now. Working out good. I need new brake setup though and stuff. But yeah, I'll keep you informed. Be making videos since it's summer now and stuff. So yeah, check you later.